Hey friends, if you wish to install the Google Meet app as an app on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Interestingly, there is no Google Meet app on the Microsoft Store, nor does Google Meet mention that an app has been rolled out as of present. So here's what I would do. I would go to meet.google.com and hit enter. And then you can click on these three dots at the top right corner. And then you can select more tools, and then you can select apps, and then you can select install the site as an app and then click on install. Okay, now Google Meet has been installed as an app. You can search for Meet in the Windows search bar. Okay, Google Meet, and then you can access this Meet app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.